Hi there, this is Chris Alagar and welcome to my channel. In this video, it's New Year 2026. I'm celebrating New Year. I'm going to cook some foods. I'm going to drink Red Horse Extra Strong Beer for real men. So check it out. So what are we waiting for? Let's get it on. Here it is, guys. We have the inangit, biko, spaghetti, roasted pork, fruits, and bilo-bilo for the dessert. Here it is, guys. Now I'm going to drink my Red Horse beer. Whoop. Now I'm going to open it. Oy. Oh. 3 shots. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Sa pagkain ko lang ginagawa yun. And my snack is chicharong baboy.
Uy, di yung beer, alcohol yan.
Beer?
Alcohol?
Beer yan. And smoke Marlboro Red. Galit pa. And smoke Marlboro Red. Diba? So if you like this video, please click on the subscription down below, notification bell, like this goddamn video. You're fucking amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.